Guys, tracking a dog with the Pocket 3. Yes. This is Dad Random, and Steve is drinking a lot of water because the Pocket 3 wants to keep tracking him, and it keeps finding him. And it does no dogs. Isn't that crazy? I have now turned my camera off and on like 5 times, and it keeps finding Steve. It didn't find me. Is it because he's so amazing? And that's crazy. And it's low light. So we have the Pocket 3 in low light tracking a dog that's fetching a ball. All right, Steve. Okay, come here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Right here. Okay, right. Okay, right. So Steve and I were tracking. Okay, you want to go track? Okay, go. Steve. Hey, okay. Are we still tracked? All right, go this way. Go that way. All right. Bring it back. Good boy, Steve. Steve, come. Steve, come. All right. Okay. Good. Hey, it works. Steve's getting tracked. Okay, Steve, come. Steve, can I? Steve, you gotta let me throw it. Okay, should we track? Can we track? Okay, here we go. One more time. There it is. Bring it back. Good boy, Steve. Good boy. All right, tracking with Steve. Good boy, you're back in the movies, buddy. Yeah, it's about time we get you back in here. Good job. Okay, let's go on. See, look, so the Pocket 3 is tracking Steve. Good job. That's actually pretty awesome. It's still got him. Look at that. All right. Okay, so let's go over here. Steve. Okay, buddy. Okay. All right, want to track? What? You gotta let me have it. He's not very much. Yeah, Steve is tracking. This thing is tracking Steve. I'm throwing it. It's tracking. Okay, it's still got him, but he won't give me his thing. Come on. All right, come on, Steve. Come on. You got it. He doesn't like to give up the toy. Okay, right there. Good boy, Steve. All right, tracking with Steve. All right. So I'm not the star of the show. Steve is. Osmo Pocket 3, tracking with Steve. And yeah, it works. All right, I just turned the camera off and now I turned it back on. He's still being tracked. It really is. Steve, are you a magnetic personality? Come on, bring it over here. Bring your toy. Okay, now Steve usually doesn't like to do it more than just 3 times. And then he's gonna, okay, right there. You think he's gonna bring it back? He might not. Yep, he did bring it back. All right, so yeah, Pocket 3 with Steve. And yes, tracking works with dogs. Look at him, he's just gonna knock the crap out of that. And it's still tracking him. I can't believe that. That is amazing. Probably the most amazing thing I've ever seen this camera do. See, come on. All right, so DJI, you must like dogs. Yes, Dad Random and Steve, tracking with the Osmo Pocket 3, yes! Good job, Steve. Okay, come on, here, okay. All right, you got it? You still got it? Oh man, unbelievable. That is awesome. Well, it's his raccoon, it's not a ball. It's actually his favorite toy. Good job, Steve. Good job, buddy. What's that? Oh my gosh, let's see if it finds him again. Nope, it didn't. Oh, is it still finding him? Steve, is it still subject lost? Let's see. All right. All right, it finally it finally lost him, but that's just amazing. That was some pretty cool footage. I was just thinking, hey, why don't I just try to track the dog today? And yeah, lo and behold, it loves him. So, all right, Steve, what do you think? Thank you, buddy. Thank you for a good video. Yeah. Do I smell like barbecue? Yeah. Steve saying, yeah, you smell like barbecue. Let's do some Osmo Pocket 3 tracking. Huh? He says, yeah, let's do it in the desert and not in our backyard. What a good dog. Guys, let me tell you something. Besides the Pocket 2 making my channel, that guy right there. Yeah, you've made it really good, bud. All right, man. Dad, oh, he just burped. Dad random. And Steve. Yeah, he's my good boy. He's had a good day. Dad random and Steve. Okay? And the Pocket 3. Yeah, good boy.